I'm going to explain to you the exact steps I do every day to build my business online. So my name is Dee, for those of you that don't know, and if you are following me, thank you. I totally appreciate that. And if you're not following me, maybe you should. So my journey has been a little long. However, that is my journey and I'm completely okay with it. I started out as an affiliate marketer where I basically promoted other people's products for a commission. And as I was doing that and coming along different ideas, different things to do, I came across a product that I could actually purchase the digital product and make it my own by putting my name on it, my face on it, my logo, my colors, and brand me. Now with that digital product, you can download it and basically do just about whatever you want to that product by adding different modules or different training or different courses if you wanted to. And the best thing is you get 100% of the profit and you can just about put your business on autopilot. So it comes down to what you need to do every day. First of all, when you get this digital product, it's a training, it's a course, it's modules where you're going to go through and it's going to give you steps on how to build a business online, what to do every day, how to build a sales funnel, how to build an email campaign, how to use different tools to learn those skills. And then you apply those skills. So I've learned how to show up on social media and I post TikTok videos, Facebook videos, IG videos, YouTube videos. I'm all over the place. But they're short videos. I do anywhere from like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute. I don't do anything crazy. I just kind of try to show up and stick to the facts and share with you guys what I do. So once you get the foundation to your business set up, basically you are going to build trust. You are going to build relationships. And I talk to a lot of people and I help a lot of people for free. And then if they're interested in what I'm doing, I can say, hey, this is how I learned and you can grab this product too and learn how to build a business online as a digital marketer. And other than running my business on autopilot and collecting 100% of the profit, I make 3 videos a day and I just show up on social media and help people and teach them the skill. And now that I'm very comfortable as a digital marketer and I'm literally, understanding and making money online, seriously, just by using my cell phone, Wi-Fi, and a laptop, I am now sitting down. I paid off all my debt. I paid for my vacation. And I'm like trying to structure out how I'm going to pay down my mortgage and start writing up my 2-week notice to my boss. So do yourself a favor, share this video, save this video for later, and follow me so you can learn more.